Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today a little paint with me slash time-lapse painting. The subject of this painting of course are two cute little baby pigs, and I haven't painted this subject in a long while, so I'm quite happy to get back into painting them. As you can see, I'm using a recycled canvas. You probably can tell underneath the layer of white paint, in this case it's gesso probably, there is another piglet that I kind of didn't like, but I didn't want to throw the canvas. So I decided just to paint over, and I get to use the canvas again. And you know, with this pandemic situation, it's quite difficult to source paint materials, and yeah, so who wants to adopt this painting will get two-in-one. And maybe in 200 years people will scan this painting and will find that there is another painting underneath, like it happens for Michelangelo and Leonardo and all of those artists. But comparing myself to those is quite an interesting thing. So for the materials I use, apart from the canvas, I'm just using some very basic oil paint colors in the color of burnt sienna, burnt umber, Naples yellow, titanium white, cerulean blue, flesh tint. I have a carmine red, and that's basically it. Oh, a little bit of ivory black as well. As you can see, I'm kind of trying to paint from dark to light, and always remember to decide where the lights come from. In this case, it comes from the left-hand corner of the painting. So keep that in mind, and if you try to recreate this painting, I will put the picture that you can use as a reference in my website, irishfarmart.com, and all the materials and everything is listed there. If you hop over my website, I kind of started some merchandise type of situation. Using a third-party supplier, I made a little Irish Farm Art logo that goes on cups and tote bags. So all the money that I will get from those sales will go to support this channel. If you like this painting, please give a thumbs up, and if you recreated this painting, please share with me on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or wherever you share your art, and I'll be delighted to see your results. If you like to see a real time of this painting, you can find it on my Patreon page. The link is below in the description. And once again, please subscribe to my channel. This massively helps my little channel to get some sort of visibility. Like this video, share, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.